Good morning, this is Blaine with Stock Superior Trading, and I'm looking at stocks on watch here for Tuesday, October the 16th. First one up, ARNA. I'm looking at this little ascending triangle here on the daily chart. It needs over about 940. If it can bust through that level, this probably eventually runs back towards 10. Awesome run in JRCC yesterday from 390 to all the way to 490. Watch for a weak open, which it looks like it's going to happen here. Looks like it's going to open around 470, 460. So then watch it go from red to green to take it long. Try to bust through those highs from yesterday to see if we can get a push over 5. WYNN Resorts, WYNN. Basically looking for the next leg up over about 117. This is an inverse head and shoulders bottom here that it came out of, so I think if it can bust through that level, it probably gets ready to go higher towards 120 or even 125. Stim, we got a nice triangle chart here that's looking to break out. I'm actually holding this from right on about 226 there. I think it could bust through this 230 spot and run back towards these highs from September. HEK, I'm holding this as well, up on it right now, but watch for follow through over yesterday's high, about 437. It's trying to come out of this bottom chart here. It's finally made it update, decent updates, so look for follow through to take it back towards 450 or even higher. LPH, making new 52-week highs here. Watch for, basically, I would love to see it push over 2, take it long. I mean, it's going to be testing 2 this morning, so watch for that 2 break, and then it could, if it continues to get this volume like it has been the past few sessions, then I wouldn't be surprised to see it get a nice run over 2. REED, this one just won't stop. I'm watching for the next leg up over about 8. I'm not sure how much more this really has in it before it gets a decent pullback. I mean, it's up from, $1 back in January. It's already, I mean, it's up 700% this year, so just keep that in mind. But I think it might be ready for one more leg up if it can get through 8, and then possibly due for a decent pullback. So be sure to lock in profits if it's there. In EON, potential bottom chart here. I think this can go higher if it gets through these recent highs, especially 440 there. Nonetheless, I wouldn't be surprised to see it easily test 440 Tuesday or Wednesday. VVTV is making a nice breakout here over the highs from back in March and July. So watch for follow through over last Thursday's run, about 280. If it can get over this 280 spot, I think it probably runs to test these resistance spots from late last year. CBIS, this is obviously a former runner. It likes to get some pretty big up days, so I think it's finally making a bottom pattern here. It's been trending up off the bottom and it close to that 5 resistance level that I had been talking about in the online traders forum. So watch for this thing to take a move up higher. I'm still holding some of this, so if this trend breaks down, I'll probably stop out and probably just bail on it. But I think I'm just going to hold as long as it takes to really see it finally get a move up. ANR, first watch over 850, should easily get a push towards 9, and then 9 could be a pretty big breakout and get a run back towards 12 or even 15 in the coming days. So a lot of potential for upside, I think, on ANR. That's plenty of stocks to watch this morning. So there you guys go. Enjoy your watch list for Tuesday. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the chat room.